Hello guys, this is Brandon coming at you live with another great and informative video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a great way to make money online daily with a method called pay-per-call marketing or pay-per-call advertising. It's a great way for you to make daily income, make an extra $50 to $100 a day easily. Most people are familiar with the traditional way of affiliate marketing, which is pay per cost, or cost per acquisition, which is basically every time, if you're promoting someone's product, every time you sell that product, say the product is, I don't know, $100, you'll get paid, $15 or however much, the pay is for every time you sell, someone's product. Or cost per lead, you're getting paid for driving leads to a opt-in form, and every time that person opts in, put their email, phone number, or whatever it is, you get paid a small commission. Pay per call is a little different. You're going to get paid a certain amount of money to drive phone calls to a phone number, not your phone number, but what's called a promo number, which I'll explain later in this video. So the site that I use is called Hyper Target Market. It's right here, Hyper Target Marketing. And I'm going to basically put the link in the description box and show you where to apply, because this is something where you have to apply to, but it's really easy to get approved. You're usually approved within 24 hours. But once you apply, you're going to create, an email, password, and once you log in, you're going to be taken to a site that looks a little like this. And then you're going to go to campaigns, or you're going to go to apply to new campaigns. Pay-per-call is a very interesting method. I really enjoy it. Way better than the other, methods of affiliate marketing. Here are some offers that you could run. You see they have auto insurance, locksmith, pest control, tree cutting services, student loan consolidation. That's really beneficial in today's time. Plumbing, garage door services. Go over a page. Dentist, homeowners insurance, roofing services, carpet cleaning. So these are all different companies which will pay you to drive phone calls to their company. You never have to be on the phone with these people. You don't have to close and get them to sell anything. To buy anything. All you're doing is driving calls. You're never going to speak to the consumer or the customer. You're just driving calls for this company. One of the ones that I like to run is a student loan consolidation, the tree cutting services, and a locksmith offer. So let's look at one of these, for example. Say you're this right here is a payout. This is how much you are going to get paid per phone call. So if you are interested in running this State Farm auto insurance, you're going to get paid $20 per phone call. You send 5 calls a day, you're making $100 a day. The 7-day EPC is also very important to look at. This is the estimated cost per 100. This is the estimated payout per 100 calls. So the higher it is, the better. As you can see, the EPC for Medicare supplemental insurance is $2,245, which is extremely high, and it pays out $33 a phone call. So this may be one you're interested in. But I'm going to go to plumbing and show you guys how this works. When you click on the offer, it's going to give you a brief description, of what they're looking for. It's going to give you some a list of zip codes. So all offers isn't going to be worldwide or nationwide. Some are going to be, zip code, specific zip codes only, or specific cities only. So this one is, I believe, is worldwide, not worldwide, but nationwide. But some cities are excluded from this list. So even though you can target the whole United States, there's some cities that you can't target. Not some cities, but some zip codes within those cities that you can't target. So here's is the list of geographic targeting that you want to target in your advertising, whether you're using Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads. And you don't have to do this one by one. There's a software which I can put in the description box that you can use to upload all these areas to your preferred method of advertising at once. So that's the zip list, the zip code list. And they also give you, some popular key phrases to use if you're using keywords. Fixture installed, emergency service, full service plumbing. So these are some popular terms that people are searching for. Let's scroll down a little. They also give you a negative keyword search, keywords not to use, or keywords you shouldn't use. It also tells you what's restricted. So you can't use Craigslist or any classified traffic site. Google ads, Bing ads, Facebook ads, it's totally fine. You can use that, but just don't use Craigslist or any classified traffic. And if you're using something, outside of the box or want to do something offline, just send them an email and tell them what you want to do, and they'll approve it and let you know if you can do it or not. And they'll tell you some keywords is restricted, like free estimate, free consultation. Okay, the hours of operation for this offer is 24/7. So you can send traffic to this offer 24/7 anytime you want. And even though it says target callers from all US, some zips and some cities may be excluded. So just be mindful of that. And to show you how much per phone call you're receiving, $11 per qualified phone call. And I'm sorry, let me go back up to the top where it says description. A qualified call it means that it has to be 60 seconds or longer. So the person that calls the company has to be on the phone with the representative for 60 seconds or longer in order for you to get that $11 payout. If it's shorter than 60 seconds, you would not be paid. And if you scroll all the way down, this is how you apply. You're going to check the terms and conditions box right here. You're going to put something like I will be promoting this offer using Bing ads and Google call only ads. Something that simple. It doesn't have to be a whole paragraph long. You're going to click on apply to this offer, and they're going to let you know whether it's approved or not, usually within 24 hours. And if you want to check to see if it's approved or not, you're going to go to campaigns. You're going to go to view campaigns. You're going to check the status. If it says the green circle that says approved, then that means you're approved for the offer. If it says pending, I don't have any pending ones, but if it says pending, that means that you have to, wait. They're still looking at it or reviewing it. If it says declined, you've been declined for the offer, and they usually tell you why on a previous page. So you can just, correct it and reapply. If it says suspended, most likely you're not active in that offer no more. You're not sending leads, and you've been inactive for about, 2 months or so, and they'll, suspend it. You can reapply again, but the status will say suspended. If you go to reports, you go to promo numbers. This is where you'll select your promo number. So you're going to go to campaigns. You want to select the offer you've been approved for. You're going to select that offer. You want to go to apply. See why it's not popping up. Okay, so I'm not sure why it's not popping up for me, but when you select the offer you've been approved for, it's going to be a list promo numbers. Okay, there we go. You're going to select a promo number that's available. You're going to click to apply, and that's the promo number that you're going to be sending traffic to. So, for example, this is a promo number you chose. You're advertising your ad or whatever, you're going to put this phone number to drive calls to. Every time that phone call qualifies, which is, 60-second buffer or 30-second buffer, you're going to be paid whatever payout it is. Some offers have what's called raw calls, which means that there's no buffer. They just got to, the representatives just got to pick up in 1 second you're paid. So again, guys, this is the pay per call method. Getting paid just to drop phone calls. This is affiliate marketing. You have people making, 50 to $100 daily. With this method, you have people making, several thousands. And again, I'll put the link in the description box for you guys to apply. If you guys like and enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get notified for all my future videos. I will be coming out with daily videos on how you can make extra money online. So stay tuned for that, guys. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.